Okay, so I've been wanting to replace my garage windows for some time, and this is an older house, so there's concrete block here, and I already purchased the windows, and when I did the first window, come to find out that in a lot of basement windows that are actually built into the foundation are indeed built into the foundation. 100 years ago or so, when they built this house, they thought that this steel framed single pane window will be here for eternity. So let's go ahead and just build the foundation around it. So I'm going to show you what I found pretty efficient way to remove it. The first thing you want to do is remove the glass so it doesn't break while you're working. There are some tabs around here that you could actually remove, but there's still concrete that is holding this glass, and you could carefully chip that out, but that's tedious. I'm going to open up the window and remove that whole part of the frame first. Okay, to do that, there's a tab right here, and that pulls right out. And it's frozen, so you want to get yourself some type of tool to pry it. Get that to move until it's about 90 degrees. I'm going to go on the outside and tap it a little bit. Now, I don't know if these are meant to come out, but I'm going to force them to come out because I don't need this window anymore. So I'll take a screwdriver in there, bend that, slide it, and it'll pop right out. And I'll do the same with the other side. Carefully lift, glass comes out, and I'll dispose of it. Now the way that this window is in the foundation is on these frames, there are tabs that go into the foundation on both sides, and it's covered in concrete on the bottom. I'm going to try to remove as little of the concrete as possible so I can salvage what's left, because if I don't have to pour more concrete, that's just going to be less work. I'm going to start on the top, bend it, and fold it in. Now that I have a little bit of a crease here, I was hoping I could actually fold it all the way down, but that didn't seem to happen with some of the other windows. So I'm going to take a Sawzall and cut that. That'll give me a lot more room to fold the insides in. From cutting my hands one too many times, learn to wear gloves. Okay, there's two tools that I'm going to use to break up some of that concrete. The first one, I'll put a link below. I bought this at the Home Depot. I actually was clearing tile one day, took a full swing of a hammer with a regular chisel and whacked my hand. I immediately put the tools down, got in the car, bought myself this with a little protection. I've been using it ever since. It's great for cutting bricks, and I'm going to use it to chip out some of the concrete itself. And the metal frame is there. Get you a close-up in a minute. The second thing that works great is a little air hammer. This is from Harbor Freight. I think it was like 15 bucks. I'll put a link for this below as well. And this clears the concrete really well. So I could see most of the steel there, but under here it's completely buried. See how easily it breaks up this concrete. Okay, now that I got most of the concrete on the bottom removed, I'm going to try to fold it in and pull it out. That's it. Now I'll just clean and prep this surface. Any high spots with concrete, I could chip off with this and get it ready for my window. And I'll show you how to install the window in the next video.